Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and you know very well guys that it's me, your friend Sapna Singh Raghuvanshi, always present here with very beautiful and motivational English story to help you to speak English and also motivate you. And today guys, my story is based on very essential and beautiful topic, and I hope that you will learn a very good lesson from my today's story, and also you will get yourself very much motivated and inspired after listening my today's story. So come on guys, without any further delay, let's start today's story. Actually, once upon a time there was a king, and one day he was sitting in his court, and it was winter season. So his court was being held in a courtyard in the sunshine, and all his priests and all his ministers were also present there, and all the family members of king were also present in the court that time. And there's a very beautiful and very expensive table was kept in front of king's throne. So just then a young man came there and asked permission to enter the court. So guys, after getting permission of the king, he came to the king and then bowed down to king and then said, "Your Majesty, actually I have two identical diamonds." Identical means guys similar. So he said, "I have two identical diamonds, and out of these two diamonds, one diamond is real and one is fake. And also I have visited so many different kingdom to ask them to find out the real one. But till now, no one is able to find out the real diamond. So I am the winner." So that time he again said to king like, "Your Majesty, actually this time I have come to your kingdom to ask you to find out the real diamond, that which one is real out of these. And if you or anyone in your kingdom, means in your court, can give me a correct answer, then I will correct answer means if you are able to find out the real diamond, so I will donate my diamond to your treasury. And if you are not able to find out the real one, the real diamond, then you have to pay me a big amount for it." So after listening all the things, king accepted his challenge, and that time the young man put his both diamond on that expensive table and then set out of that. So first of all, king himself decided to check out the real one diamond, which is real in the both diamond. So firstly, king went to check the diamond, and he pick out both diamond in his hand and started observing very carefully, and he found that the both diamond were same, means identical in shape, size, color, weight, height, means all things. So king was completely confused, means he was completely unable to find out the real diamond. And when he found that he was unable to choose the correct real diamond, so he again came to his throne and sat down, and then he offered his minister one by one to go and find out the real diamond. And all his ministers, means one by one, they all just went and tried their level best to find out the real diamond. But guys, unfortunately they all were unable to find out the real diamond, because they all were completely confused, because there's not even a slight difference between both diamond. They both diamond means in just equal in all things. So they all were confused, like how to find out the real one. So after observing that all his ministers were disappointing, means they are not finding out the correct one. So after observing this thing, king offered all other member of his court, all the his country people who were present there, he offered them that if you want to find out the correct diamond, if you want to give a try, so you all can come and tell me. But guys, that time no one was dare to come and find out the real diamond, because they all were thinking like we will get only one chance, we would get only one chance to find out the real diamond, because the young man who brought the diamond, he already said that you all will be provided only one chance, means you will have to give answer only in one chance. So after thinking this, all the other court member, they were not daring to go and find out, means they started thinking a lot like what if king get angry if we choose the wrong one. So that time they all denied that they didn't want to go and choose the real diamond. But yes guys, suddenly there's an old man came with his stick in his hand, and that old man was blind, and he came in front of king's court and then king's throne, and then said others people like, please just make me reach the king, to the king. So that time two men just hold his hand and make him reach beside king. So that time he bow down to the king and said like, your majesty, actually I am blind from my birth, but yes, I want to give a try, and even if I fail, means I may fail, I may not, but yes, even if I fail, it doesn't lose, because you have already lost this bet. So after listening this, king also thought, yes, I think I should give him a chance. So of course guys, king gave a chance to that blind man, and the blind man, means he was brought to near the diamond, and firstly he took the both diamond in his hand and he tried to feel the diamond. So firstly he just after taking the both diamond in his both hand, he tried to feel it. So he felt the diamond very deeply and closely, and then he raised his one hand and said, this one is real diamond and this one is fake. So after this, the young man who brought the diamond, he also accepted that yes, the blind man is correct, means he is saying correct, actually that one is real. And yes guys, as he promised that if king win the challenge, then he donate the diamond to the king's treasury. So of course he did the same, and after this the king became very happy with that blind man and asked him like, how did you find out, because it was very difficult to find out the real diamond between both diamond, so how did you find? So that time the old man said, your majesty, actually we all are sitting in sunshine. So the real one, when I observed the diamond one by one, So I found that the real diamond, which was real, he was cool, a little cool in this temperature, and the fake diamond, it was a little warm, so a little hot or a little warm actually. So after this, I observed that the warm one is fake, because it's a piece of glass, and the real diamond, it remained cool in any temperature. That's why I recognized that this one is real diamond. So after observing, or after seeing his intelligence, king became very happy, and of course he praised him a lot, and also rewarded him a lot, and honored him in his kingdom. So guys, if we relate this story to our real life, so we also find out the same thing in our real life, that a person who always remain cool, means who always keep their cool in all situation, in every situation, they are the real barrier, and they are the real diamond. And the means the person who used to be angry, or means in on any random topic or any random matter, so they are just like a piece of glass in our story. So if you really want to be a real diamond in your life, so just try to have the quality of the real diamond in your life. Try to be cool down in all situation, even if in tough situation in your life, my dear friends. So I hope that you must have enjoyed my today's story, and also you must have learned a very beautiful lesson from my today's story. And yes guys, always try to be cool and calm down in all situation, even in tough situation in your life, just like this real diamond. And okay guys, now let me say bye, take care.